From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon. This is your Tuesday Communications Group forecast. I'm Frank R. Jones, starting you off with a live look at Beaver Stadium right now. 59 degrees and clear skies for your Tuesday. Right now in State College, 59, feels like 59. Dew point of 30, visibility of 10 miles. Little breezy with winds southwest of 16 miles per hour. Our weather headlines: warm days, cool nights. Tomorrow we have a chance of rain with a warm-up for finals. Good luck with your finals. I am passing it off now to Scott with your current conditions.
Hi, I'm student meteorologist Scott Bellin, and here's a look at the current conditions across the Commonwealth. As we can see, we got mostly sunny skies across the state, with a few clouds in the southeastern and western part of the state. Moving on to how the temperatures change overnight, we can see we get into the low 30s and low 40s overnight, all the way down to 33 in the eastern half of the state. So it gets cold overnight, so be aware of that. Now onto the radar with Domo.
Good afternoon. I'm student meteorologist Jonathan Domo, taking a look at the radar. As we can see, no precipitation across the Commonwealth, just a few clouds moving in as the morning progresses. Taking a look at the greater United States, we can see precipitation is moving across the Midwest through Illinois and Indiana. And taking a look at the wind speeds, fairly breezy here in State College, 16 miles per hour. And as we get to the northwest portion of the state, 18 in Erie, 18 in Franklin. And as we move across to the southeastern portion of the state, relatively calmer winds. Now to Zach with the future radar.
Good afternoon. I'm student meteorologist Zach Sims here with your pressure tracker and future radar. So looking at the pressure right now in the northeast, we're going to see Pennsylvania's in a bit of an area of low pressure, and that low pressure is going to dip in to the Pennsylvania a little bit more as we move into Wednesday and into the northeast. And as we move into Wednesday evening and the early hours of Thursday and through Friday, we're going to see a large area of high pressure move into the northeast, and that's going to move its way out into the Atlantic by Friday. And looking at future weather, we can see we're sitting in mild temperatures expected for this evening in State College, temperatures around 67. And some clouds are building in with some precipitation in the northwest. And that's going to move its way throughout Wednesday, bringing a little bit colder temperatures. And as we move into the latter parts of Wednesday, we can see temperatures dipping down into the upper 40s and mid 50s for much of the state. And taking a wider look across the United States, we can see those clouds and precipitation on the northeast. And those are going to move their way out into Friday evening. And we're going to see some more clouds and precipitation move its way up from the southwest through this weekend. And here's Julia with your day planner.
Thank you, Zach. I'm student meteorologist Julia Ingerman here with the rest of your day planner. So taking a look, we can see temperatures topping out around 66 here today, and then a little bit more cloud cover moving in. Lows expected in the mid-50s overnight, so not too bad, pretty seasonable. And then as we look here for the precipitation outlook, Wednesday we can see a little bit of chance for precip. Thursday and Friday remaining dry. So for those of you going to Penn State's Movin' On Festival, students, don't worry. Should be drier than last year. But then as we head into the weekend, precipitation chances increase into Saturday and Sunday. And now here is Liz with the rest of your forecast.
I'm Liz Plum here with your forecast for today. You'll see some peaks of sun throughout the clouds with temperatures around 68 degrees and winds out of the southwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. For tonight, late night showers with winds out of the southwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour and temperatures around 48 degrees. And these showers will continue into tomorrow with temperatures around 59 degrees and winds out of the northwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. And now for Gavin with his 7-day forecast.
Thank you so much, Liz. I'm Gavin Sandell with your 7-day forecast. We'll start off with today where we'll have some nice seasonable conditions, a high of 68. We'll dip down to 48 tonight, where we'll see some rain showers tomorrow with a high of 59. It'll stay cool Thursday, 57 degrees, and we'll start to warm up just a bit for the weekend on Friday for that moving on ceremony as Julia talked about. Saturday, we'll have some more rain returning with a high of 58. But look at this, Sunday, Monday, 77 and 80. That sounds quite good. It's quite summer-like. And speaking of the summer, unfortunately, that means Campus Weather Service has come to a conclusion. Everybody, get in here. The Tuesday afternoon shift was really indebted to everybody for doing their forecast. Thank you so much. And for everyone and the Tuesday afternoon forecasts, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Have a great summer.
Have a great summer.
Summer.
I said thank you.
You're just holding your thumb.
I said